Financial benefits owed to the families of Texas school teachers and staff members who have died or are being delayed by several months.
The teacher retirement system says it's processing an unprecedented number of deaths from the COVID-19 pandemic and working overtime just to keep up.
KXAN's Alice Capriello shows us how this impacts families across Texas.
When she laughed, her whole body shook.
Suzanne Faulkner misses her baby sister, Kathy. The high school teacher died in January from COVID-19.
Her last concerns, even before she went into the hospital, was to take care of her students.
But her sudden death has caused more than heartache. Faulkner feels stress over the daunting mortgage she once shared with her sibling. The death benefits owed to Kathy from the $178 billion teacher retirement fund still have not arrived to the family 4 months later.
They tell you they're sorry, but telling someone you're sorry and take no action, you're not really sorry. That sympathy means nothing to the family that is grieving.
The teacher retirement system says there's a major backlog.
They just absolutely cannot keep up with the workload.
Before the pandemic, employees typically processed around 230 teacher deaths per week. That number has jumped to around 350 per week. At the pandemic's height, there were more than 700 deaths in 1 week.
And the team not being able to keep up, that creates a backlog. And so that increases the amount of time that it takes for us to respond to those beneficiaries.
The system just brought on 10 more employees to help, but it will take 6 to 8 months to get them fully trained. They say this will make a difference to reduce the time it takes to get those benefits to grieving families.
Not just my family, but every family who's have to go through this and you don't pay their benefits. I just think it's wrong.
Alex Capriello, KXAN News.
The teacher retirement system says employees are working mandatory overtime to try to catch up on the backlog. Payouts are arriving to families on average in 106 days. The goal is to get that to a more reasonable level, a little more than 2 months after a death.
So how much money could a beneficiary get? Well, it was a total of 5 different beneficiary payments. The Texas Teachers Retirement System says you could receive an amount that equals 1 year's salary or double that. The amount paid out would be capped at $80,000. A beneficiary could also receive a payment that equals the amount the TRS member contributed. The cause of death can factor into how much money a beneficiary would get. For example, if a TRS member dies as a result of being attacked on the job, a beneficiary could receive $160,000.